Breaking news that's coming in right now. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's big Dalit outreach. OBC netas leave BJP. CM Yogi's big Dalit outreach. UP Chief Minister to have lunch with Dalit family. My colleague Abhishek Mishra is joining me live on this from Lucknow. Is this damage control, Abhishek?
Well, absolutely, Pauline. It looks like that the BJP has now come on this strategy of, controlling the damage, at the same time trying to balance the situation which is getting intense for the BJP in past couple of days. CM Yogi Adityanath is all set to reach Gorakhpur. There he will be reaching there at the fertilizer Jhumia gate, and he will be, participating in a lunch with Amrit Lal Bharti. And it looks like it's a clear, move to get the caste arithmetic and at the same time to get the Dalits, all together. Because BJP has a very fair realization now with all these backward leaders now going from the BJP, be it Swami Prasad Maurya or the Dara Singh Chauhan, Dharm Singh Saini and all those MLAs. Dalit vote is going to be very important for the BJP. And what we are getting to know from the sources that the Jatav vote, including, will also be on the radar of the party. So the move has been taken by CM Yogi Adityanath, and it looks like that BJP is on the mode now as far as balancing the situation and of course the damage which has already happened to control it up to an extent. Yes.
Right. Abhishek, thank you so much for those details. We'll of course keep coming back to you. Now, most of these netas are set to join the Samajwadi Party. Swami Prasad Maurya, the UP minister who triggered this recent exodus, has warned of a big dhamaka today with prominent OBC faces making a beeline for the SP. How will Akhilesh Yadav benefit? Watch this report.
Swami Prasad Maurya, Dara Singh Chauhan, and the latest addition to this list of exiting mantris from the Yogi Adityanath government is Dharm Singh Saini. The BJP is facing one setback after the another. With less than a month left for Uttar Pradesh polls, BJP MLAs are on a quitting spree. A total of 11 BJP leaders, including top ministers and MLAs, have quit the party so far. All look set to join the opposition Samajwadi Party. Among these 11, Swami Prasad Maurya and Dara Singh Chauhan are prominent OBC leaders. Both Maurya and Chauhan left the Saffron Party, citing social justice as the reason.
जिस तरीके से आरक्षण को लेकर के, जिस तरीके से पिछड़े समाज के जो स्कॉलरशिप को लेकर के, आज ऐसे जो बच्चे जो कॉलेज में पढ़ने वाले लोग हैं, आप देख लीजिए रिकॉर्ड है, वो जो पिछड़े समाज के लोग जो बड़ी संख्या में पढ़ते हैं, आज स्कॉलरशिप से वंचित करने की जो साजिश हो रही है, आज वो पीड़ित हैं। आरक्षण से जो खिलवाड़ करने का काम किया, उसके नाते पीड़ित है। ये तो रिकॉर्ड में है, सारे लोग जानते हैं।
Dropping a bombshell on the BJP, Maurya has tweeted that more resignations will take place in the days to come.
बहुजन समाज पार्टी से निकलने के बाद सभी लोग हमारे ही नेतृत्व में वहां गए थे, और जब यहां में छोड़ा तो फिर सब हमारे नेतृत्व में यहां पर आ रहे हैं।
The MIFT leaders have accused the BJP of not doing enough for Dalits, backward classes, unemployed youth and the farmers.
हमने पार्टी इसलिए छोड़ी है कि उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार में जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेतृत्व में 5 वर्ष सरकार चली है, दलितों पिछड़ों का शोषण हुआ है, उसमें किसी की बात नहीं सुनी गई, यहाँ तक के जनप्रतिनिधियों की और संगठन के पदाधिकारियों की भी नहीं सुनी गई।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने उन व्यवस्थाओं पर कोटारा घात किया है, ना तो दलितों का हित, न शोषितों का हित, न पिछड़ों का हित, केवल और केवल अपने हित में लगे हुए हैं।
The exodus threatens to give the BJP an anti-OBC image, something that the Saffron Party took years to overcome. The BJP stormed to power at centre and in Uttar Pradesh after poaching non-Yadav OBC voters from the Samajwadi Party and non-Jatav Dalit votes from the BSP in the 2014 Lok Sabha polls and 2017 Uttar Pradesh Vidhan Sabha polls. The OBCs make up around 35 to 37% votes in UP. Yadav voters make up about 10 to 12% of these votes and are set to dominate the OBC vote bank. The BJP focused on the rest 25% of OBC votes in elections between 2014 and 2019. Surveys show that the BJP's OBC vote share increased by 12 to 14% between 2009 and 2014 Lok Sabha elections.
The committed upper caste voters and the non-Yadav OBC brought back the Bharatiya Janata Party back to power in Uttar Pradesh after 14 long years. But with Samajwadi Party denting its base, especially the non-Yadav OBC vote, will it turn into a thing of worry for BJP and a curve of a smile for SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav? With cameraman Neeraj Kumar, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.